My name is Savio D'Souza. I'm 27 years old. I consulted doctor for sleep apnea, that is obstructive sleep apnea. On my travels, everybody used to complain and nobody would sleep near me because of the snoring. Daytime drowsiness, weakness, and I would just not be fresh in the morning. After the CT scan, doctor advised that the nose septum had to be corrected along with the uvula, tonsils, and adenoids. All 4 procedures were done. I was really scared at the start, but after I met both the doctors, Dr. Vikas and Dr. Patel, I was really at ease. My parents supported me, and this is day 20 post surgery. The snoring has completely healed, along with the nose airway passage, which is completely open. I thank the team of doctors who helped me through this. Thank you.